Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get static out of your hair easily. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now, obviously, I'm not the best subject to focus this video on because I don't have any hair on my head. But I did test this out with my wife's full head of hair and it worked really well. So I'm going to tell you an easy solution. Okay, now obviously, if you have lots of hair and you are blow drying it or you're straightening it or you're combing it, you can develop static on your hair. Okay, I see it on my wife's hair. I have 3 daughters. I see it on their hair. And even my son, when his hair is a bit longer, I can see it stand up whenever he's sitting on the couch because it becomes very staticky. Okay, so I see it all the time. I don't experience it myself, but I see it all the time. So I read about this life hack that you can use a piece of tinfoil folded up. So literally, this is just a standard piece of tinfoil. I folded it up. And because tinfoil removes static, if you just gently get the flat part of it and just touch it against your hair, okay, it's going to remove the static from your hair. Now, there is a little bit of a method to this, okay? You can't just, go like this and it's going to remove the static from your hair. And yes, I am sweating right now. Literally, look at this. Literally, I'm sweating right now. I need to open the windows on this truck because it is hot in here, as you can see. So, look at this, okay? That's how much I'm sweating. So, if you have an appreciation for me making this video right now, as it's really hot and I wanted to turn the truck off so I could get the best audio possible, I could get the best audio that I could get. That's why the truck is off and the windows are closed so I get the best audio possible. So if you have an appreciation for that, just give it a thumbs up. But all that you got to do is take the tin foil, make sure you get the flat part like this, and you want to just graze it against your head. You're not touching it hard against your hair, okay? You're just grazing it against your hair. And what that's going to do is that's going to pull the static off and transfer it to the tinfoil. You can rub tinfoil against many different things and it will remove the static electricity. I use this on my carpet and on my couches when they get very staticky, and I just rub them with the tinfoil and it removes the static. So when I read about doing this with your hair, I was like, wait, would that actually work? So my wife had static in her hair after she did her hair, and I said, honey, let me just try this. I'm kidding, I don't call her honey. She doesn't like when I call her honey. So I just said, listen, babe, can I try this out? She said, okay, sure, no problem. So I just went gently like this, and literally the hair that was standing up started going down. And it only took maybe like 5 passes and the static was gone in that section. So even if you have a full head of hair, it's going to take you like a minute to do this. That's it. It's literally that easy. That is how to get static out of hair easily. One simple method. There are many different things you can do, but this is by far the easiest and fastest method that you can use. And it's just a piece of tin foil. So, it's very inexpensive. This is obviously overkill because I use lots of tin foil. But all that you need is just a small piece folded up. So really, I don't know how much it would cost for a small piece, but probably a few cents maximum. That's it. So it's an inexpensive life hack. It's easy to do and it solves a problem. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And one more thing. When you're done, I was going to finish the video, but when you're done, if you really want to be frugal, you could probably use this tin foil for other stuff. I probably wouldn't be using it for food after you rubbed it along your hair, but there are many other uses for tin foil. I use tin foil to clean my barbecue grills. So for instance, I would use this on my wife's hair to remove the static if she wanted me to do so. And then I would crumple it up and I could use it now. After using it on my head, I can now use it to scrape the barbecue grills before I turn the barbecue on. When it's nice and cold, I use it to scrape the barbecue grills and clean them off. So you can even extend this life hack to use the tin foil even further for a wide variety of things that you can use tin foil for. And that's it. If you like this video, that's really it. We are really at the end of this video now. If you like this video, please be sure to give it. This is my legendary outro. I promise you, we're really at the end of the video now, but I really want you to smash the like button. Now we're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.